Yo, 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 yo. What's going on, everybody? Hello, hello, hello. It is a beautiful, perfect, energy-filled Monday, and we are right here looking it in the face. Good morning, everybody. As a reminder, this live stream is not financial advice. This live stream is simulated trading only. Everything said here is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. We're hitting like Justin Gaethje last night. That's exactly what we're hitting like today. Let's have a day. That's right. Yo, what's up, RT? First in, baby. What's up, Yosef? What's up, Jeff? Hangman? Gronny, what's up, guys? What's up, Nody Gang? What's up, fellas? Dude, that card was insane. 7 finishes. And your boy hit a quick 900 a piece on Gaethje. Baller. Oh, yeah, baby. Let's go. Getting all this Zoom stuff set up. Getting Team Bull all ready to rock and roll. Much love, fam. That's right. Much love to you. Let's go. Let's get it. Dun-dun-dun-dun. What's up, guys? Good morning. What's up, Acre? What's up, Miss L Prince? Let's get it, everybody. Nurberry, good morning. Stocks, crypto, cars, 3 great things. Good morning, my bro. I got my AG1, got my collagen. How was the benefit party? Awesome. We raised like 40 grand. It was great, man. Or girl, it was great. I had an amazing time. The organizers did great. There was no drama, no BS, just vibing. God gave us a new day to experience. Clearly, we still have purpose, so let's be great. That's right. Amen to that. Would love to learn. Well, you're in the right place. Welcome. You are in the right place to learn. You going down me. You guys see that hike I went on? You guys should have heard. You guys should have heard Gene complaining about the hike we went on. Him and Brandon. Brandon was honestly worse. You think I was taking Brandon and freaking killing him or something? It was a great time for anyone who's ever done a 14er. You know, you can't put easy and 14er in the same sentence. Yeah, poor Gene. He was hurting bad. They didn't want. I've done Grays and Tories. I've done both of them. I've done now 17, but they just wanted to do one. They were hurting. Our boys were hurting. They were down bad. They got it done though. So I'll give it to them. Most people will never do a 14er in their life, so I was happy for them. Good morning, D-Sane. What's up, Marcelo? Good morning. Happy Monday morning, everybody. Welcome in, welcome in. I'm back at home base. Let's go, Uncle Jay. It's my bias for the day. Well, at this point, it's most likely up considering how aggressively we moved up. We are zooming. We'll see. Yup. Of course, such USA fashion to get close to all. Oh my gosh, we're close to all-time highs, guys. Look at that. Look at that recovery. The bear market of 2026 lasted 4 days. 4 days for the bear market of 2026. I'm also going to go ahead and get our data and stuff up for the week inside Team Bull, so just give me a sec. Oh, guess what else we have today? Or not today, excuse me, this week. We have our first Fed meeting with Warsh. I think that's how you say it. We have our first Fed meeting with the new chair. That should be interesting. I'll definitely be around Wednesday for that. 15. We also have no market on Friday with Juneteenth, everybody. Yep. Market is closed. Federal holiday. Friday. No market on Friday. Yep. Market is closed on Friday. That's right. No market on Friday. How was the mansion party? Oh, it was awesome, bro. It was a great fundraiser for a great cause, and the turnout was amazing. We raised a bunch of money. It was awesome. Let's get it, guys. I don't have a chip. I'm not an AA. I just don't drink. I was never an alcoholic. I just didn't want to drink anymore. But if I was had a chip or whatever, it'd be 25 months if that's a chip. No drinking for 2 years and 1 month. I mean, there is times like at that party, there's brief moments where it was like, man, it would have been really nice. It'd be really nice right now to have a margarita. And then like 5 minutes later, it passes and you're like, oh, thank goodness I didn't do that. Yep, DOD everywhere. Has been easy for you to stay sober all this time? I mean, there's days that aren't easy, but it feels great. It's it's nice to be able to say to people that look up to me, and especially all the youth that are used to these gurus and people on the internet that prioritize advertising, drinking and bottle service and all this crap. I think it's a good change of pace for sure. I gotta put my heater in. It's cold. cold out here. Kyla said, received my first payout, 2,500 across 5 Tradeify accounts, all just following you daily. Thank you. I've learned so much. Oh, that's awesome. Let's go. That is the Monday energy we're looking for right there. She done just set the tone. Will Cash App stocks will help me better the trade view? Honestly, bro, that's going to give me a stroke reading that. I have no idea what you just said. Not a clue. Great song, man. Those fights last night were so fire. That was insane. 7 finishes. You don't see that too often. You don't see that too often. And that Gaethje fight, how about that? That was insane. Yeah, that was wild. I turned 2 hundo into 9 hundo on that fight. That was great. Why didn't you tell me Dinero was good like this? Dinero's a man of many talents. We had a big old move up last night, so let's see if we can continue it. I think there's a very high probability we move ourselves right into all-time highs by the 4th of July. We're almost there. The bear market of 2026 lasted about 4 days. Some way. The Clarity Act? I have no clue what that means. I only betted on the Gaethje fight. He's from Colorado. How could I not? He lives here. He has a gym here in Colorado. How can we not? Yeah, how about the Knicks too, man? I was bummed we got no more basketball, but they earned it. It's only you and me. What's good, everybody? Good morning. Wakey, wakey. Yeah, Hurricanes won the Stanley Cup, too. We're officially out of hockey and basketball. To me, that's low-key a bummer. Now we're stuck with baseball. Stuck with baseball. Oh, and we do have World Cup. I watched a lot of World Cup, actually. I'm going for the U.S. and Mexico in the World Cup. The U.S. and Mexico are my squads. We're rolling with both. Yep. Oh, whoops. Good luck. I got to allow you to share. What's up, bro? Dude, that cart. Yeah, right? That card of fights was bananas last night. You watched that? No, I didn't watch it, man. I felt. Wait, what time did it start? Dude, it was amazing. At like 8 Eastern time. It ended. Last fight was at like almost 1 year time. Ended up. It was a great card. It was baller. Good morning, Jonathan. What's up, everybody? Guess what else we have this week, Grizzly? We have FOMC with the new Fed chair. What? Yeah, probably. Oh, that card was great, man. I'm still live. Yep, we do have a gap to the downside. We'll see if we get anything from it. Yo, you guys know what's tomorrow, right? Yep, market's closed for Juneteenth on Friday. Tomorrow is the free live training. I better see every single one of you guys at 7 p.m. Eastern time tomorrow. If you guys want the recording, you must get signed up as well. That's right. I'm going ham on it. Free live training is tomorrow. That's right. That's right. We do have daily gaps above and below. Up $72 in the day. Okay. I see you. All right. Guess coffee's on you, my boy. Lunch and coffee's on you, my boy. This one's got to win. All right, guys. Signed up because I'll be at work, but we'll watch the recording. Yep. Even if you can't be there live tomorrow night, I understand things, life happens, things get in the way, kids get in the way, whatever it may be. Make sure you guys sign up so you get the recording. And if you've been to a few, I appreciate you coming and showing some love. Pack in the chat. Been doing $100 a day for past 2 weeks after figuring out my own strategy after 6 years trading. That's amazing. That's awesome, bro. $100 a day is great. Let's get this paid done. That's right. We got 15 minutes left, guys. It's a Monday, so we're going to start our day trading a bit slower, letting the market develop, and we'll see what we can get. We had a grip of cars there, too, at that event. That was cool. Commit and get DOD. That's right. Good morning. First time on the live. I'm in Brighton. How do I get a spot at the Team Bowl HQ? You just be a part of the Discord and message when I put the announcement out. We got another winner. I'm telling you guys, we don't lose at the office. I mean, we rarely lose regardless, but we really don't lose at the office. I need one good trade to get a payout. Give me a banger. I'm going to do my best. Come and manage your risk. Trade smart, trade safe, and we'll see if we can get that done for you today, boss. I'll do my best. If you guys need an account today, I appreciate you guys using code Jdun, trading smart, trading safe. We got some good deals in the prop world right now. Some great funding options. Apex 90% off using code Jdun. We got Lucid up to 50% off using code Jdun. Tradeify 40%. The Funded Futures family is 40% off their premieres. People have been loving those. And 25% off Alpha Futures. Lots of good opportunity in the prop firm space. Harley Davis said, you do team merch, fam? The Team Bowl shirts and jackets looking good. You've been helping me get profitable after switching to day trading futures. Much love. Let's go. That's dope. We got a big week ahead of us, baby. I'm excited. Good things coming. Lucky for you, I pull a lot of accounts, so I use your code frequently. That's actually not what I want you to do. I want you to choose DOD with your accounts. I mean, I appreciate you guys' support. I appreciate you guys rocking with me and supporting the stream, but I'd rather you focus and treat your accounts and your money with respect. I tell you guys that all the time. That's why I emphasize DOD so much. $1,500 last night with Asia. The 2 bars are probably hitting last night, huh? I bet with strong trends like that. Oh, yeah. Look at that. I bet this was just textbook 2-bar right here. Look at that puppy. That's a 2-bar right there if I've ever seen one. In a retracement back into, oh, yeah, look at this. Aggressive move up. Stops below the trend setting candle high. Higher low found. Higher low found here. Bang. All day. All day, baby. That's dope. You damn. There's sometimes I wish I traded Asia, but then I'm like, also, sleep was great too. I love me some sleeping. How about that Gaethje? That Gaethje fight. That was a freaking banger. That was an absolute heater. And your boy won some bread off it too. I've been on a heater with the whole betting thing. Gaethje's too tough, man. And he's from Colorado. He lives here and trains here. He owns a gym here. Yep, lives here and trains here. Yeah, my contract's rolled. The new ones are NQU6. I mean, Ilya does have some heart for sure. I did not bet on the Knicks. Nope. Justin is an absolute beast. Like, he is so tough. Dude is tough as nails. Hello, Mr. Gene.
What's up, dude?
What's up, bro?
What have I got? Read it. From Alice.
Oh my gosh. You gave him a picture of you on the 14er?
Yeah.
You got a free burrito?
Yep. Well, there was a lady in there. She was like, didn't you just hack a 14er? I was like, yeah. I was like, how do you know? She's like, I followed you. And I was like, oh. But yeah, I did.
That's hilarious.
You get a free burrito.
Yeah, Mr. Gene's here. My favorite burrito boy. Thank you for the coffee.
And they gave so that coffee was free too. They gave me free coffee.
Oh, damn.
Can't lucky today.
That's a good sign for this trading week.
Yep. Started off.
Market just nuking too.
I'm gonna go put the trash out.
MNQ U6. Yep. What a privilege it is to be able to learn and trade today. That's right. Amen. Yep, everybody. The market is closed on Friday as well, too. Good morning, everybody joining in. It is a beautiful Monday. We have a beautiful week ahead of us. I think there's a potential that we make a lot of moolah this week. We also have FOMC, our first one with the new Fed chair on Wednesday with Warsh. So I think we have some potential for some very good volatility this week. How's everyone's weekend? Anyone do anything exciting this weekend? The Zoom is only for premium members usually. It's only free on Fridays. Otherwise, it's just free live streams with lag on YouTube and on TikTok. Pikes Peak. Pikes Peak. Got to meet you. Hey, let's go, Ari. Yes, sir. Graduation parties, dude. There's been so many graduation parties in my neighborhood. It's insane. I'm like, all these damn kids. It's my birthday on the 19th. Well, happy early birthday. We got 2 minutes till open, everybody. This is your reminder to trade smart, trade safe, stay focused, choose discipline over dopamine, and follow your habits this week. There is nothing, and I mean nothing in this world and universe that's forcing you to stay the same trader you were last week. You have every ounce of ability to come in and follow your rules and stay focused and start a whole new chapter in your trading. You do not have to be a victim of your own self-identity. If you think to yourself, oh, I always break my rules, I always go on tilt and revenge trade and bull accounts, then you'll keep doing that. But it doesn't have to stay that way. We changed that tide today, right now with DOD. Yep, let's get it. Market is opening, everybody. Trade smart, trade safe, and stay focused. You got anything you're watching today, Grizzly Glock? Yep, it's about that time. Let's get it. Watch the Knicks win the title, and now it's time to watch Team Bull win the trading title. You know what it is, baby. Come on. For my pivot point traders, we are a ways away from any sort of pivot, about 600 points. You guys might be a little cooked today. How American of us to go and climb up into all-time highs, going up to July 4th. Should have seen that one coming. Let's get it, guys. Good morning, everybody. Welcome in, welcome in. I appreciate you guys choosing to join me for this morning's live trading. I'm going to do my best to find you guys a winner, and in the meantime, help you guys stay patient, trade smart, and trade safe. Garden of the Gods is great out in Colorado. Very knowledgeable guy. Yes, I do my best. Thank you. Also worth noting, everybody, we have our free live training tomorrow. I go absolutely all in on these for you guys. All you got to do is tap in and get yourself registered for the free live training. We're not going to trade for the first 15 minutes more than likely here, so got a second to relax and wait. And if you haven't signed up, this is a good time to go sign up. Even if you can't make it live, I know that some of you guys are busy on weeknights. You guys got kids, work, whatever. If you want the recording, you'll need to be signed up and registered, guys. It's tomorrow at 7 p.m. Eastern time. Uh, 6 p.m. Central. Come on, I just started drinking my coffee. You can't make me use my brain that early. What'd you say, bro? Did you? Which one? I haven't traded CRM forever. Salesforce? Good old Salesforce. I used to trade them on occasion back when I traded individual stocks. Holy pumpage, that's right. As a reminder, if you guys want to get funded and take my next futures trade with me, you guys can use code Jdun. We got some great deals in the prop space right now. Oh, this is a great song. She will be loved. Right now, one of the best deals in the space is with Lucid Trading. Lucid's got some banger accounts. I like their 50K pros. I like the 50K pro accounts for you guys who are trading with Lucid. Yep, live accounts are the best, though. Don't get it twisted. But if you're looking to run up some payouts, make progress, trade with me, have less risk, and use prop firms as a tool, those Lucid accounts are great. And no activation fees. What's up, bro?
Oh, dude. You hear they call Brennan the Mountain Man now?
Who is?
Brennan?
Who's calling the Mountain Man?
I just heard that they call him
The Mountain Whiner? Guys, I'm tired.
I'm lost.
Brandon got behind Gene and I as we were cooking, and Brandon's texting us saying, guys, I'm lost. I'm like, you're lost with phone service with 5G? Really? You're lost? You can't follow the clearly marked Category 1 trail? Oh, it was too funny. Bro said he was lost. It was so funny. Dude, we were hiking yesterday, or this weekend with Brandon, and Gene and I got way ahead because he was being a big baby going on the rocks. And he's texting us saying, I'm lost. You guys are such a-holes. I'm like, dude, for one, you're texting us. You have phone service. You're not lost. And for two, there's a clearly marked trail, bro. You can't. So funny. Yeah. Someone asked what the burrito was carrying. Was that a 19, Gene?
Yeah. On my vest?
Yeah.
A 23.
A 23.
My age.
It's actually not a bad idea to carry spray or a gat with you. Mountain lions. It's very rare. There's only been one mountain lion killing in the last 27 years in Colorado that actually happened this year. The last one was 1999.
Somebody got attacked like not too long ago.
Yeah, that was the first one.
Oh.
Yeah, that was the first one in 27 years. The last person to get attacked and killed by a mountain lion here was in 1999. Then recently here, or this year. You guys are not nice leaving Brandon. Yeah, if you guys talk to Brandon at all, ask him if he's lost. Say, bro, are you lost with phone service? Oh, it was too funny. I'd be like, hey, bro, did you get lost this week? Bro comes back all stomping his feet, man. All right, guys, here's the deal. So I'm waiting the first 15 minutes. We are getting an initial pump off the open. We're above pre-market high. We're a ways away from pre-market low. Based on this pre-market action, we're going to be careful finding short entries, given that, I mean, this is pretty self-explanatory. And we are trend traders. If we see a reversal we like at a key level, we can try it. But clearly the direction, the momentum is upwards right now. So we'll have to see what they give us and find something, hopefully, nice and high probability. They left me. Who does that? Bro is so mad. Too funny, man. Too funny. Yep. Yeah, Gene. Who had to bribe you to go to when you wanted to quit at first? Uh-uh. That's crazy. I think Grizzly goes hiking in Tennessee. He does. Why is there such a high price difference between NQ and your trading view to the price on NinjaTrader? Because your contracts likely haven't rolled. It's the U6s. You got to roll your contracts. What is going on in the TikTok chat? Phil Hust with my with my picture as his profile picture and my bio. Bro, why are you coming in here with why are you coming in here doing the fruity stuff, man? Why? Like, if you're gonna be a good fake Jdun scammer, at least act like it, bro. That's embarrassing. Honestly, I'm embarrassed for you. You're coming in here trying to portray me and sending kissy emojis. At least use proper grammar and act like you know what you're doing. Disappointing. This new age of scammers just isn't the same. They're not built the same. They used to have integrity. It's like they said in Dark Knight. These criminals, they used to have integrity. Yeah, you can't use bad grammar, man. No trades for me yet, guys. No trades for me yet, fellas. Just wait. Just waiting. Just waiting. Brandon's lost without my love, I bet. Bro said he was on law. He said he was just lost in general. Now, I had my money on Gaethje. I put $200 on Gaethje and won 900 money bags. I mean, what? Bro, 7 finishes, no decisions. It was in. I can't believe you didn't watch it. You're busy. Yeah, that fight, those fights were awesome. That card was honestly nuts. 7 finishes.
Where did they have octagon set up?
It was like in the front yard. Yeah, that. Uh-huh. Yeah, that card was insane. The Gaethje fight, the main card guy, he lives in Colorado. He has a gym here. I had to put my money on him. It was plus 350 odds.
He lost?
Yeah, he was a major underdog and he won. Gaethje, he beat Ilya Tupuria.
So you won.
Yeah, I won. Bro, my FanDuel account is cooking. And I've never claimed to be a profitable bettor. But if you've seen some of my signals on X, I be hitting. I only do it for fun, though. It's not a good habit to get into, unless you choose DOD. All right, guys, our first 15-minute range is in. So you guys can see on my screen, we have 15-minute high up here in the blue. We have 15-minute low. Also worth noting, we're above point of control. We're above pre-market high. We're way above pre-market low. And we're also above VWAP. So we will just wait. See what they give us. Every single Monday, I tell you guys, it's traditionally my worst trading day. And also it's kind of the day where the market gets its footing for the week. So one of the best things you can do is just come in, wait, stay patient, and if we get an A+ setup, then we'll take it. La la la. Yeah, we'll see how this next candle does. And we might need to restart the TikTok, everybody. It gave me some notification. It was mad at me for directing people off the platform. So if we do have to restart it, then 2 reminders. If you're on the TikTok, hit that follow button in the top left corner. I go live here every day. And for 2, at least listen to what the notice says. Come on over to YouTube, Jdun Trades. Jdun Trades on YouTube. We're building the largest YouTube trading community. We have almost 2,000 people here right now. Appreciate each and every one of you guys. DOD, baby. The Hulk's in the chat. Heinrich, baby. If you guys were on the YouTube on Friday, this man Heinrich in the chat is who I was talking about being Hulk. Dude walks in, just absolutely brutally frame mogs me. Absolutely just brutal. Best live trader on YouTube. I appreciate you, bro. And we'll be saying YT from now on. But you guys should come over regardless. Best trading stream on the tube. Let's go. Appreciate you, bro. As a reminder, you guys hit that thumbs up button. You guys win accounts, you guys win money. I give back to you guys every single day. They're going to give us a 2-bar this early? Dude, so while we're waiting on this candle to develop, so we were leaving for the hike. Mind you, I live out in the mountains, guys. A lot of you guys know that. So when we're leaving for this hike on Saturday, I started keeping my garage closed because the damn bears, right? So I go out in the morning. It's like 4 in the morning. I open my garage. I'm putting stuff in the truck. And I walk outside of the garage and I hear footsteps. So I think Brandon's outside. It's like I'm still like half asleep, mind you. So I'm like, Brandon. And then I look down and I just see these glowing eyes looking at me. And I'm like, what the heck is this? And I double take and I was like, oh crap. And the freaking bear was like 5 feet from me in my garage. Literally right behind the Lambo. It was just having a stare down. And I was like, I thought I was dreaming for a second. I was like, what am I seeing? I thought it was Brandon, bro. Literally in my garage, and I had my garage closed all night. So this dude must have been just lurking and waiting. Isn't that insane? I mean, it was we don't have grizzlies here. We don't have brown bears. All we have is black bears. Yeah, just the only grizzly we have is the one that's on the live. So we can watch the orb, guys. I don't love this volume we saw here, but we can watch the orb. It's technically valid, guys. If we did try it, here's the problem. Or here's the reality. Is if we did try this orb, we have to enter at 730. Put stops below like 700. So it's only like 30 points of risk. I am potentially, even without this volume, it's not ideal. I'm potentially down to watch for something like this. I will use less size. Automatically, we'll use less size because we don't have this volume. But there is a world where I'm down to try this retracement here and continuation up. Yeah. I was also saying, did you hear my bear story? You got another bear? Bro, when Brandon and Gina and I went on that hike, I kept my garage closed all night. And because I'm just done with this bear messing with me. And so I opened the garage at 4 in the morning. I'm putting stuff in the truck, getting ready to go. It's it's still 4 in the morning, so it's dark. I'm half asleep, and I hear footsteps outside. So I was like, yo, Brandon. I thought it was Brandon. It's like, Brandon. And then I look behind my white Lambo and I see these glowing eyes looking at me. And I'm like, what? I thought I was dreaming. And then I kind of came to and I was like, oh crap, this is a bear. And the bear was in my garage. Like, it had been waiting in the neighborhood for me to open my garage to get my trash. So we have this like stare down. I'm just like frozen. Like, what the hell is going on? And then the bear ran away after I was like, oh my gosh. I screamed like a, okay, I might have screamed it. Yeah, there might have been a high-pitched scream. I will not confirm or deny. Yeah, insane. But here's your bear survival guide. Ready? If it's brown, you lie down. It's a grizzly bear. You pretend like you're dead. If it's black, you fight back, like you get big. And if it's white, good night. Because polar bear is going to kill you and eat you either way. Polar bears are the only one that will eat humans. They're carnivores. They will destroy you. Yep. Polar bears are mean. Don't get people. What do you say, Gene? Yeah, they're cute, but they'll destroy you. I do have cameras. But me and this bear were having a serious stare down. I know. Did we just touch all-time high? Oh, yep. 38.10. Yeah, we were a few points away. That is insane. I'm going to watch this orb setup, guys, just so you guys are aware. If we do take this, it is higher risk because we don't have this volume confirming. I'd love to ride this into all-time highs with you guys. We have an aggressive trend up, solid body candle, minimal selling on it. But when you don't have that volume confirmation with it, it's going to be a bit higher risk if we do try this at 7:30. You going to watch the orb with me? Music loud. I don't think all-time highs is way higher. Unless I'm mistaken. No, all-time highs is literally right here. This is it. It's up here like 10 points away from that previous wick high. It may be ES. Oh, I guess the chart's wrong. I don't know. I guess the chart must be tripping. I just go with what the chart says, man. Maybe it's because the new contracts have adjusted. I don't know, but whatever. We're ripping. If not now, then all-time highs probably soon. All right, I'm going to watch the setup for the orb, guys. I'm going to watch this 7:30 area. I'm watching this long, everybody. I'm watching for this long. I want to see us go a bit lower to 730. Oh, man, don't do it this early. Watching for the longs, guys. This is a traditional orb setup. We don't have the volume, which I don't love. Could still work. Just be prepared to use a bit less size. That's at least how I'm preparing. You can do what you want, but if I take it. We also have data in 3 minutes. We have home builder confidence. All right, for my home builders, you guys confident? Got any builders in here? We got any GCs? We confident, folks? You're something. You're a GC. You're a Gene Cruz. Good one. Confident. Still watching, guys. I like to see us sweep this low and then go back up. Not in yet, guys. We don't have the volume, so I'm being more careful on this. If we would have had the volume I'd like to see on this, your likelihood of winning goes up. Whenever you see lowering volume on an aggressive move like this, a lot of times you'll see a wick out first. That's why I'm just hanging tight, waiting. Six-month sober today, Jdun. DOD. That's awesome, King Mike. Let's go. Atta boy, Mike. No entry for me, guys. Just waiting. And it looks like we made a good decision not taking that. Looks like we made a great decision. We'll see. Again, no rush here. We also have point of control and our 50% retracement down at 660. Could be worth watching too. Yeah, path of trading is just avoiding bad, unsystematic trades. It's half the battle. Whoops. It's half the battle, guys. Every day I get on, I do my best to help you guys avoid those bad trades. And in addition to that, I find better systematic entries. I'm going to teach all that tomorrow in the free live training too, guys. It's 100% free and it's 110% valuable. I genuinely do my best to help you guys in those. $15-minute gap. We'll see. You're signed up. Let's go. I'm excited to see you guys all there tomorrow. It's going to be a movie. What time is the education tomorrow? It's at 7 p.m. Eastern time. There is new contracts. Yep. Come on, don't reclaim right now. At least give us. Here's the deal, guys. If we do reclaim this with higher volume, if we see a higher low come in, aggressive push up, at that point, I'm down to try the 15-minute high, push, and then try to push to this 800. I am down to try that. That I'm down to try. But if that doesn't confirm, then nothing. We also have a potential reverse orb coming. I'm not super keen on taking it with how strong this trend has been. We also didn't have an aggressive push of volume on this reversal candle here. So let's say that we would have had an aggressive push through this with aggressive volume. I might have looked for a reversal here, stops above the highs, and a move down. But with how strong the trend's been and not having that push with volume, I'm going to hang tight and not take it. All right, it's time for our Metallica. Maybe that's what we're missing. You love this song, huh, Gene? I do too. It's great. All right, we might get it here. Oh, come on. Well, technically speaking, this could be a continuation candle, guys. We closed above, not quite 50% wick. We'll see if we get a slight pullback down to our 15-minute high. If we see a slight pullback down here, we can look for move up. It is higher risk, though, and stop. What? We might see this continuation here. I'll probably join you on the longs if we get a retest down to like 730s.
This looks like a good entry we had. Everything else is just making the trend here. The lower time frame, I believe. Bless you, whoever that was.
Gene. Bless you, Gene. I'm trying a light piece of longs, guys, in the 7:30 area right here, guys. I added the longs there, guys. Added the longs at 7:30. Trying a light piece, 7:20 to 7:30. Tried the longs. Stops at 690. It is higher risk. So, given that we have this little wick here, but I did try it. I'd like to see him move to like 760 plus. I tried the longs, everybody. I did try those longs. Lighter size, but we are in. We're trying to push. We got an initial move, but we'll see if we can continue it. I tried it lighter size, guys, so you guys know. If we lose, I blame Mondays. This is the area I liked, is the 720 to 730. This is the main area. We have this 15-minute high. We also have our 50% retracement. If we go below this low right here, it will no longer be valid. We got an initial move for like 20 points, but not anything near enough to trim. So, add area I like is in here. If we go below this low, I'll be out for a loss, everybody. You guys got the game plan, baby. This wick right here looks good so far. If we can get some continuation here. NASDAQ's thinking about it, maybe. Thinking about it. Don't know. No downward dog. This is not yoga time. Come on. Give it to America. You want to break the bird beak. We got bird beak coming on right here. We want upside bird beak. You got upside bird beak, guys. Come on. I don't like how we're holding below this 15-minute low. I don't like that at all. Well, fellas, we got about 20 more points of drawdown. I'm holding to my original plan stop. I'd like to see us push up above 770 for any sort of trim. Come on. The setup looks good, though. Even if it loses, this is something I would take over and over again. Would I put on heavy size on it? Probably not, but would I try it at least? Absolutely. Had the solid volume, had the retest. Our risk is defined. Hard stops are in below this candle. What's your stop at, Grizzly Glock? Come on. Come on. Come on. Do it for us, baby. Do it for us. Come on. Do it for us. Send the fireworks flying. We want the artillery shells right up, baby. Send us up like a freaking artillery shell. Let's go. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. We got up to over 20 points again. Just couldn't quite push to where we wanted to see. If it stops us out, guys, I'm sorry. We got 23 points, just not quite enough so far. If we hit 687, it's over. If we hit 687, guys, trade's over. If we don't hit 687, trade's not over. But if we do hit 687, trade is over. It's thinking about it. Either way, we choose DOD, guys. We trade smart, trade safe, stay focused. We keep our losses small and our wins big. No! No! All right, guys, trade's over. Trade's over. We got up about 25 points to the max and then just broke through. Trade's over for me. If we get another confirmation to the upside, we can try it. But right now, at this moment, trade's over for me. Trade's over for me. If we sweep this and then rip up, I blame Mondays. I blame Mondays. It's not my fault. We got moved 20, 25 points, but not enough, guys. When you're risking, nearly 40 points, you can't sell your whole position at 25. It just don't make sense. Don't you dare sweep and then go up, though. Don't you dare do it. Don't you dare do it. Don't you dare do that, NQ. Don't you dare do what I think you're about to do. Don't you dare do it. No. Don't you dare sweep this and move. Don't you dare. Don't. No. There's only one more setup I like, and it'd be basically trying this again around like the 700 with stops below like this previous low. You're basically betting that this was just a sweep, taking out liquidity here, and then going to rip up. I'm not in, though. I don't like going back to back. Setup looked good. We saw an initial bounce. We just didn't get the continuation we wanted. And that's just what happens sometimes at all-time highs. So I wanted to see the full move before I took any off. If we were scalping and we had like 20 points of risk, it might have been okay. But not this time. What's this low here? No new trades for me yet, guys. Just waiting. I'm still open to take another trade, but it's going to have to be really good. I wouldn't say Mondays are the worst time to trade. They're just traditionally, for me, they're my least profitable day. That being said, it's been a little better this year. You see that BS, Gene?
What happened?
It gave me 25 points, and then it stopped me out. It's not doing anything, though.
Monday, man.
I blame Monday. It's Monday's fault. My fault, never. It's Monday's fault. If you blew your account on that, there's no one to blame but yourself. I don't know how you can blow your account on a unless you were at like your lifeline of drawdown, then I guess I could see that. Yep. But it's all right. Small losers, big winners. Anytime you don't have the volume on the breakout like we wanted to see, I still think the longs could go. I still like the longs. You just have to have your stops below like 677. I still think we're kind of coiling in here. It still looks like we want to break and go up. It's just a little trickier at all-time highs. If you had that much risk on, then you should have taken your profit at 20 points. 25 points. Why didn't you take your profit? You should have taken your profit. I mean, I'm not. I still think we go up, though. I still think we push up. I think there's a good chance that we hold this and move. So if you want to put the risk on, you can. I don't like calling 2 trades back to back, but just know I think it's going to go up. If I were to want to be in another trade, it would be around the 700 area to 710 with stops below like 675. That's what I'd like to see. I'll let you guys know if I find anything else that I like. The trade looked great, though. I mean, I still think we're going to go. We're waking up. I mean, there's nothing you can do about an aggressive wick down like this and the move. It just happens sometimes. Come on. Give us an A+ setup. Free 670. I really had high hopes for that, especially when we started pushing up right away. I had high hopes initially, and then it just crushed my hopes. Got to change this. 0 for 1. 0 for 1 on the day. Bring your friends. It's all right. We keep our losses small, and we'll focus on having big wins, guys. That's what separates the winning trader from the losing trader. The losing trader takes one trade, and on the first trade blows their account, and then goes on tilt and blows more accounts and loses more money. The winning trader says, well, it's a good setup. It looked great. Just didn't happen to work out this time, but we managed our risk, and we'll catch the next one. Let this caffeine digest, then we'll start printing it. What do you mean? We caught a banger on Friday. We caught bangers all last week. All green days. All green days. It looks like the bird beak's going to get invalidated. They're not going to give us our bird beak setup. Don't should have traded at the office. Yeah, we got to save that though, man. I mean, we've never lost at the office in 2 years of live trading with students. We've never lost at the office ever. Just saying. Not once. No red days. 100% win rate. 100% win rate at the office. Everyone loses while trading, except for me at the office. Then we don't lose. Then we never lose. We'll pull out the office if we need to on Friday. Or Friday's market's closed Friday. Juneteenth. No market Friday. What? We're going to 14er.
Not on Friday.
Why?
I need to prepare.
No, I'm going on 14er.
Alright. I wanna go.
If we get this strong candle, another strong aggressive candle here, I will try the retest for longs one more time with stops below like 670. Yep, I'll try it one more time if we get the strong close here. You hear, Grizzly? I haven't heard you speak much. I think bro's got us muted. Well, not forced. I just didn't go heavy. If I love a setup, you'll know. If I love something or if I like it, you'll know. Like today, I liked it. I mean, it looked good. I still think we want to trend up. We're showing a lot of aggressive wicks up. Sometimes it wicks you out. It's all probabilities. It's all math. The math be mathin'. We got 20 more seconds on this candle. Yeah, we liked it. We didn't love it. And it doesn't look like we're going to get this. Nope. No confirmation, no trade. We're about an hour in, folks. We're about an hour in, everybody. Just waiting, staying patient. We are 0 for 1 to start the day. That said, I still think we want to find upside. Until we break down this pre-market high and this point of control, I still think we want upside. We got Iron Man on. We might be catching a banger. Gene, you want to come say hi? I'm using the restroom quick. Gene's going to come hold it down. Find your winning trade.
What's up, guys? I had crazy hair this morning. What's everybody up to? Made good choices. What's up? Oh, man. The hike was pretty insane. I'm still sore. I need to go get a massage or something. That was hard, guys. That was probably one of the hardest. It was the hardest physical thing I've ever done. But it was fun. This is kind of choppy. I like what Jdun was saying about longs going. It's a grind, guys, but you know we made it happen.
Watch, it's gonna rip up now. The longs are gonna pay. I'm telling you. Oh, it's okay. Oh, the long is gonna freaking pay. Just watch. That's Juan done. I'm Jdun. Man, this is what I thought was gonna happen. It's tricky action. Happens sometimes. It's all right. Just part of the game. We'll see if we can get a solid breakout. Maybe we can get a breakout candle here. One more retest and go. And if we don't, then you hate watching green trades go red. It happens, man. You win some, you lose some. But if you have the long-term mindset, the FOMO don't come. A+ setup. And at least, you know, on the bright side, if we do get a push up, the right idea was there. It just happened to have some aggressive wicks. I mean, you're rarely going to put on a 60, 70 point stop loss. We have a minute and 10, and 10 seconds left in this candle. If we can get a solid 5-minute body up, I'm open to watching for one more retracement in longs. If it would stop me out there, then I'd likely just call it a Monday. Call it a day. I don't think we're going to get the volume, though. Wow. Wow. Not the greatest volume either. It looks like we want to go. We want to go up. This is exactly what I wanted to see. Was that move to 770? I got one more trade on watch. The 730 area, 720 to 730 again. I don't love the volume. It still looks like we want to see a move up. I'd be very shocked to see us sell this whole candle off. It could happen. I still would have rather seen this volume higher here. It's a little trickier when you don't have that that volume confirmation. So we'll see. See anything else you like, Grizzly Glock? You gonna try these longs again with me if we go down? I was gonna watch like 730 area. Don't think we're gonna get it though. Gonna be like Gaethje today, coming in the underdog.
What's up, man?
You watching anything else? Watching for a long entry too. If we had the volume, I would try it. Like I'd try it right now. If we had the volume, I'd be in right now this second if we had volume. But we don't, so. We don't have volume, so need to see some solid confirmation.
Testing the top of the flag there. So if you was going to try to pull a breakout, this would be your entry. Your stop would be 672.
Yep. Wow. So what I wanted it to do earlier. Just haven't had. I haven't. That's great.
That was even more than the orb. I mean, the orb was there, but that was a trend as well.
Yep. We got a solid 5-minute continuation candle here. This might have volume, so I don't want to get chopped out. But I think it could be worth a shot. We'll see. I got a bunch of little stuff to do. Mondays are kind of my admin days. Appointments and emails, and there's different things to get the week off right. What are you supposed to do with this candle here? Even that, like if we would have caught that bottom entry there, that would have been a nice scalp, but the first bird beak broke. A little bird. Let's see if big bird can come in. See if big bird can come in. Still waiting, everybody. Staying patient. Choosing DOD. This market has about one more hour from me. I'd love to find an A+ setup I can put my full size on and have a nice day, but if we don't find any more setups, I'll take my one small loser. We'll take it to the chin. This market's on the games today, huh? Am I trading Asia today? No. Probably not. I won't say 100% no, but there's not a great chance. It's kind of random when I do. I'll trade Power Hour more often than I'll trade Asia. Come on. I mean, honestly, guys, here's the thing is what we can look at from today, too, is whenever we have aggressive moves like we saw pre-market, I mean, this was insane. We had like 1,000-point move pre-market. Oftentimes, you'll see us get less continuation in New York session when that happens. So there is a real possibility that, you know, we just don't see the movement we want today. Maybe we do, maybe we don't. But I wouldn't be necessarily surprised if we don't. Yeah, we need a round 4 Justin Gaethje. Jump, that's right. That's exactly what we need. We got FOMC this week too, so. What? Yep, it's the new Fed speaker's first meeting. What? He's gonna be scared.
You want to watch the Mexico game with me after dinner on Thursday?
Thursday? Come back here. It's late. Isn't the game like 7 or 8? Oh, yeah. I'll watch it. Let's have watch party. You gonna go to freaking... I'm surprised you're not going to like Encanto for it.
I just don't want to go downtown. You see what happened over the weekend?
Uh-uh.
Some chick got dragged in their car. She got hit.
That's crazy. What are we waiting for? I'm waiting for an A+ setup. The original setup I had, the price target, of course, went and hit to a T. Just wicked me out first, and that's okay. So as a reminder, everybody, we're just over an hour in to trade smart, trade safe, stay focused, and choose DOD. Small losses and big wins every single day, baby. If you guys are trading with me, I appreciate you guys using code Jdun as well. We got some great deals in the prop space right now. We got Lucid at 50% off, Apex at 90% off, Tradeify 40% off, all of which code Jdun will get you the best discount. It's all right, Nigel. Kept it small. That's what matters. Still just waiting, guys. I'm in no trades right now, guys. Just waiting. No trades right now. Waiting for this bird beak to break. What time frame am I on? 5-minute chart. 5-minute time frame, everybody. Tell us more about the bird break strategy. Yeah, we'll see. Higher lows and lower highs. Yeah, don't worry. The second I leave to the gym, I'm sure we'll get a nice move. In the meantime, while we're waiting, if you guys struggle with having bigger losers than winners or holding the winners that you get, you got to join the free live training tomorrow. No brainer. I don't care about how your winners look. I care about how your losers are. If your losers are constantly bigger than your winners, that's a problem. Descending. Descending crocodile beak. That's exactly my situation. My losers are bigger than my winners. Well, let's fix it. Good thing is you don't have to stay that way. Appreciate you guys joining me every day. Win, lose, or draw. We keep our losers small and our winners big. Even today's trade, it went up 25 points. I wanted bigger win. Want a bigger win. If you want the recording of the webinar, you got to get registered, guys. Even if you can't be there live tomorrow. It's tomorrow at 7 p.m. Eastern Time, 6 p.m. Central Time, 5 p.m. Mountain Time, 4 p.m. Pacific Time. If you guys can't be there live, get registered. Well, that's why in trades like today, I would rather stop out at my planned stop than sell it early. And does that lead to potentially having some more losses here and there? Yes, but also when you win, you catch the bigger move. Every time I put more size on, I get cooked. Same size stop, same size TP. Well, that's when it comes to adding size. Here's the deal, is that you have to stick with the same size over and over, because here's what happens is if you add size and then you have a loser, you always have the chance of having a loser. You're not guaranteed just because you size up, you're going to have a winning trade. People get that wrong a lot. Well, if you add size once, it doesn't work out. You got to keep with your same system. If you find that you can't handle having larger size, then size down. There's no shame in sizing down if it helps you trade better. I got some Lincoln Park on. Of course. Days like these take a lot of DOD. They sure do. But good thing you're here. You're in the right place to learn. You're in the right place to stay consistent. If you're looking for long-term, bigger wins and smaller losses, you're in the right place to stay disciplined. Oh, come on. Let's go. I'm proud of you guys all staying patient. What's the next move looking like? I don't know. We're going to see. We're going to find out. Whew. Come on. As a reminder, guys, all real ones use code Jdun. I appreciate you guys supporting me. I do this for you guys every single day. I try to keep you guys trading smart, trading safe, staying focused, and appreciate you guys rocking with me and becoming a liability for these prop firms together. We also got some World Cup matches today. That's dope. Let's see who we all got. We got Spain playing. Spania, Belgium. Spain and Cabo Verde. Belgium and Egypt. Saudi Arabia and Uruguay. Iran and New Zealand. That's it. See you tomorrow, Jeremy. Thanks for being here, bro. Appreciate you guys all rocking with me. I stay DOD. I passed first one last month because of Jdun. I'm only 550 away from passing second one. Nice. Let's go. Let's go. I heard Iran got hungry and ate turkey. That's a good one. Hey, I always say we win almost every day. That's why I always say almost every day we win. It's most days. Almost every day we win. Not every day. Almost. touching the top of the bird beak. Any advice for beginners? Take it slow. Just got a Lucid with your code 50% off discount. I appreciate you, bro. Top of the bird beak. It's a joke. People are like, this guy's selling a trendline course. Like, you got to realize it's a joke. But however, if you like the actual bird beak strategy, you can Venmo me 8,000 and I'll teach it on the live right now. Seriously, dude? Selling a trendline course? Yep. Just wait till they see Mr. Smiley. Then they're going to get really mad. Wait till you see the hair transplant strategy. They're going to lose their mind. They're going to lose their mind once they meet Mr. Smiley. Why do I think this bird beak's going to break out to the upside? Do we try one more time for an entry at 730 with stops below like 700? I won't ban you. I don't ban the haters. They don't realize they actually help us. The more they come in and talk and raise engagement, the more people it shows the live to. So I just have fun with them. I pray for them, actually, as a matter of fact. My ultimate goal is I can help them turn them from haters to lovers. I'd love to see us get a break out to the upside. Just not quite yet. We had the right idea with longs today. It's just unfortunately wicked a little too much. Maybe a little 2-bar action. Maybe we can see that. Two bar. Just don't take out high a day first. Let's just chill out right here. Here'd be perfect scenarios. Move down a little bit here. Oh yeah, just move down a little bit. Right. Let's get some volume pushing. Close up here. A little 2-bar retracement down to this deal, and then bang, right to high a day. I'm just gonna say it now. We never lost when you had the cowboy hat. They're just jealous, and if they show up and watch, they will change their mind because this is the best YouTube stream I have found, and I watched a lot of streams. I appreciate you. Best place to be. Team Bull, baby. Let's go. Got a minute 15 left on this candle, everybody. Been watching you for years. I appreciate you, bro. All right, we might get a 2-bar, everybody. Do we try it? I think we do. It's been a little choppy today, or especially in this last, not overall day, but in this range. Oh, no, don't take away our 2-bar. Oh, that's a bummer. We're not going to get it. It's not going to give us the close we need. Nope. Ooh. Oh, this is tricky. We might get the push up, but look at this wick here, guys. Unfortunately, this candle has big wick energy. 50-point candle, of which about half of it's wick. Yeah, it has big wick energy. It has a big wick. But not in the way we want. This is bad big wick energy. This candle's not very nice. The 2-bar your girl tells you not to worry about. What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you guys? Too much wick here. This wick is way too big for me. So what I wanted to see was an aggressive close up here, a retest to around this area, and then move up. The contracts haven't rolled. That's why price action looks the same, but you have different numbers. Damn, that's lame. I think I'm starting to understand why I love trading. Make sure you put in the right email. If you guys registered for the free live training and you haven't gotten anything, make sure to check your spam, and also make sure you checked your email, or your you typed in your email correctly. It's tomorrow at 7 p.m. Eastern time. Damn, look at that. This is what man, I wanted to see this 2-bar play out, but there's too much wick on it. He had the right idea today, just was too choppy in this area. Like this, there's nothing you can do about that. Just we still could see a technical 2-bar here if we get a strong close. 2 bars at all at or near all-time highs, though, are a little sketchy. I'm potentially down to try this retracement here if we get a strong candle close on this. But again, it would have to be a lower size. We'll see. It would have to look really good, especially if we didn't have the volume. It would have to be pretty much a full candle up. So this wick ain't going to cut it. We have an LWE candle here, but even then, I don't think we can try it. Yeah, we have little wick energy on this candle, but still, even with the little wick, I don't think it's worth it to try. If we had higher volume, could potentially try like a long here and see if we can ride it up.
The bull flag was in, Jdun.
No, right idea. Just some BS price action earlier.
We got this supply up here, but I'm just hesitant to take anything up around, take a short ride at all-time high.
I thought that's what we were getting today. And my bias is rarely wrong. Rarely is the bias wrong. Just today was tricky price action in here, so nothing you can do about that.
Days after big moves, I've noticed it a lot. They pull back typically more than they normally would if you stop me out midway through.
Yup.
That's why it makes it so hard to judge your entry on days like this. And it's Monday, of course.
Whoops, it's welcome. Lose control. Still moving up. Got one more minute on this candle. Maybe this will give us a 2-bar. It's definitely a higher risk here, but that's what it was designed for, is for catching aggressive trend moves that don't really pull back. Do I trust it fully? No, but am I potentially willing to try it? Yes. Got 20 more seconds on this. Looks like we're going to get higher volume. Never thought I'd be listening to Linkin Park while I'm trading. Thanks, Jacob. You're welcome. So this is technically a valid 2-bar, guys. If we retest like 810, it's just higher risk. My finger's on the trigger for longs, guys. It'll be a smaller position if I do try and a smaller stop loss. Trying a small piece of longs, guys. I tried them. I tried another small piece of longs. So let's pull back here. Can have a smaller stop loss. I did try the longs. Tried the longs, everybody. I tried the longs on the 2-bar. I like to target this high a day, 830 plus. Stops at 795. So we have about, what is that? 15? 17 points of risk. I tried that 2-bar, guys. It's low risk. I'm going to put my stops actually at 790. So 20 points, a little over 20. I tried the 2-bar, guys. If I lose, I'll be 0 for 2. Keeping my risk smaller for the day. This action's been a little tricky, but this is technically a valid 2-bar, so I couldn't not try it. If you don't want to put risk on, then probably just better off to wait till tomorrow for a trade. It's Monday, so I did try this 2-bar, though. This is the entry area right here at 810. I have my stops at 790, so 5 points below this. If I lose, I'll be done for the day, 0 for 2. Let's see. If I lose, this will be down just under $1,000 in the day, so kept it light. Listen, we're almost at all-time highs. I like 2-bars more to the downside than the upside, but it still is worth a try for me here. It's such low risk that, you know, this trend is looking strong. You can tell we're trying to have some buyers step in. I'd like to see us go to this high a day above 830. If we don't, I'll stop out for a small loss. So, and you guys know the drill. Just trying. We tested that previous high a day too, so we touched tips with 800. Now we'll see if we can move up. I'm not selling anything until we get above 830, guys. 830 minimum. Otherwise, it don't make sense risk reward wise. If I lose this, I will more than likely be done. I'll stay on for another like 15 minutes probably. But I'll probably hang up the gloves for the Monday. If we don't get this continuation push here. I'd like to see us push above this 830. We're trying. Price is thinking about it. You can tell it's the right idea. Our buyers are stepping in here. It's just a matter of do we have enough oomph to push us to the finish line. Come on. Come on. Come on. Push us up. Oh, don't you dare. Don't you dare reject high a day. Don't you do it. Where's the nickel back? Where's the nickel back? We throw nickel back on. It's going. How you remind me of the trade we took. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, no. I'm going to move my stops up to just below 800, 799. Depending on your entry, we went up. Oh, my gosh, just a little more. Little more. Come on. Okay, correction. My stops are at 795. There we go. Below that previous trend setting candle. I'd like to see a push above 730. Come on. At least we know, even if it would stop me out, the 2-bar, the idea was valid. Our buyers did step in. I'd just like to see a little bit more push from them right here. If you're worried, it's still in the green, so don't yell at me if it goes back to red. I want to see a bigger move. Wow. That's so lame. Literally came within 4 points, 4.75 points. Come on, push it up. My stops are below that previous trend setting candle. Who is calling me during trading? Well, sorry guys, if we don't get this, I had high confidence in it. We almost got to high a day. So again, another trade that went green. Just couldn't quite get to price target. We'll see. So lame. So frustrating. I mean, minimal risk, even if it does, only 15 point, but still. For sure frustrating. We saw that initial push up. It all looked good. Just about there to high a day. We'll see. I blame Mondays if it doesn't work out. Come on. Come on. No, rip the longs right now. We're going high a day. Trust me. Trust me. You don't trust me? I'm kidding. But, I mean, kind of. I do think we're going high a day. If we can hold this here. But, all right, bro. Have a nice day, man. See you. Come on. We're trying. We're getting another wake up. There we go. Wait, 795. There we go. Come on. Push us up. I mean, this looks good. If this doesn't work out, I'm okay with taking this L. Come on. We're in the longs. You want to see it move up. Come on, buyers. Come on, buyers. Move it up like a hot air balloon. You guys see that freaking video in Brazil of when they forgot to clip that girl in? That was awful. Absolutely insane. We need big wick energy to the upside. Come on, NASDAQ. Show me that big wick all the way up. I want to see that big wick in action straight to the upside. Come on. Come on. Almost a high a day. Almost. All right. Trimming, guys. Trimming. Trimming above 30, guys. There we go. This is what we wanted from the 2-bar, guys. Trimming up here. Come on. Come on. We'll see if we can get a nice trend up now. I'm putting my stops at break even, everybody. Come on. Let's go. This is what we wanted. I'm 2/3 out up here, guys. Come on. We want to see more. This is what we wanted, guys. This is exactly what we wanted to see with the 2-bar. I'd love to see a trend up. Just keep trending to 30,100. Come on, baby. I told Grizzly, I said, you don't trust me? Come on. All right, if I get stopped out, it's going to be a break-even day, but it's all right. We'll take break-even. We'll take break-even. Well, technically slightly just in the green, but break-even still. We'll take that over red. Come on. Push it up. We want 850. Stop should be at break even or in profit, guys. Stop should be at break even or in profit. I like to see us continue up to like 850 plus. This is what we wanted, guys. Let's go. This is the better trade. This had much better risk reward and much less risk, and also higher probability with the volume we had. So we'll take it. 1-1 on a Monday, break even day more than likely. Come on, give me this 850 plus. In a perfect world, we'd see like up to here. Or 1 for 2. One and one loss. That's what I meant. 1-1. Now we got to go ahead and update this. Where'd the haters go? Tell them to come back. Come on. That's the 2-bar right there, guys. You guys are all asking me about the 2-bar all the time. Traded it live together. In real time. Telling you, as we put the... We need more, I know. We want up to 850. But with minimal risk, with 15, 20 points of risk and currently up, well, it's like 20, almost 30 points. That's great risk reward. I'd like to see us move higher too. This is the 2 bar she tells you not to worry about. Yeah, for sure. We'll take it, guys. This is what we want to see. Very good. Now let's move it up. Yes, I will be going over the 2 bar in tomorrow's. Hey, went back to green. Nice. That's awesome. My final stops are trailed up to 816, guys. 816. So no one shall let this trade go red. All right, I want to get a head count. To show the 2 bar some love, if you guys made money off the 2 bar, I want you to type in the chat. If you guys made money off the 2 bar. If you guys made money off the 2 bar. Give me W in the chat. Show the 2 bar some love. You guys stay patient for the 2 bar. If you made money off the 2 bar, type W in the chat, baby. Let's go. If you made money on that 2 bar, type W in the chat. We got W's coming in left and right. Stayed patient. 1 win, 1 loss in the day. But the 2 bar is paying over a 2R trade so far, and we're not stopping hopefully anytime soon, baby. Let's go. Textbook. 2 bar. Let's go. We'd like to see more. I'd like to see us go up to 850. So ideally, in a perfect world, we break this high and we continue up. We'll take a scratch day for on a Monday, though. It's not in my head. Let's go. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on, baby. 850, I'll be all out, everybody. I'm going to trail my stops up a little more. 850, I'll be all out. This is what we wanted to see, everybody, right here. All right, guys. I'm ending my Monday green. I'm not going to get off yet, but I'm all out up here, guys. I'm all out up here. How about the comeback, baby? This is what we wanted to see right here. This is exactly what we wanted to see. I'd like to see us move higher, but you know what? We'll take it. This is exactly what we wanted to see. Let's go. This is textbook exactly what we wanted to see, guys, right here. This second with the 2-bar. Turned red to green. Let's go. All right, one more time. Now that we got our final price target, if you guys made money off that 2-bar, type it for me in the chat. Let's get some positive Monday energy flowing. Whenever we do this, we usually have a good rest of the week. So type it out, baby. Let me know. If you guys made money off that 2-bar, how much you guys make? Show us some love, baby. Come on. How much did you guys make off that 2-bar trade? 650, 550, 200, 150, 105, 1200, W, 110, 200, 940, 500. Let's go. Textbook setup, baby. 2-bar for the win. 102, 456. Base hits, baby. 250, 497, 168, 60, 300. Let's go. Small losses and big wins. We do this all live every single day. We're going over the exact 2-bar setup tomorrow. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Let's go. 1 mini in a dream. We'll take it. Small green, but we'll take it. What do you mean no rising volume? Right here. The entry was back here. This is exactly what we wanted to see. This freaking 2-bar, baby. Let's go. Let's go, baby. You guys better all be there for the free live training tomorrow. If you struggle with the 2-bar at entries, well, no, you don't. Not after tomorrow. Not after tomorrow, you don't. Don't. I appreciate y'all being here. As a reminder, I appreciate y'all using code Jdun when you're trading with these futures firms. I'm the only live trader that genuinely tries to keep you guys disciplined, encourages you guys to use prop firms the right way. And in addition to that, also get what the heck happened there? Look at that. Look at that wick. In addition to that, gives you guys winning trades almost every day. Look at that wick. That is some big wick energy, and that's not the type of, that's a bad wick. You might have big wick energy, but that's some bad wick. It's exactly what we wanted to see with that 2-bar, guys. Also, here's the deal. If you guys, I'm going to give away one account today. I'll give away one account to someone in the Post Your Gains. If you have Post Your Gains, tag me and Post Your Gains. I'll also give away one person who tags me on X. If you have Twitter or X, tag me at Jdun Trades. And one account going to each of those. Post Your Gains and one tag on X. I appreciate you guys doing that regardless. If you guys have Twitter, go tag me on X/Twitter right now at Jdun Trades. Or post your gains. Even if it's $2. And look at that. What an exit up there, guys. How about that exit up there? Oh my gosh. That was the exit of all exits. You gotta tag me. You gotta post a picture of your gains on X, guys. You gotta post a picture of your gains and tag me on X. I'll repost you too. I will take it. Just like my sign says, $400 a day equals $100K a year. Especially starting out with a loss, we'll take it. We'll take small green. I'm fine with that. What an exit up there. Price target hit. What was the news we saw? You tag me on X. Enter the giveaway. I'll repost you as well. Also, make sure you guys all register for the free live training. Nope. I told you guys I exited fully at the top, or 850. It's my final price target. You guys all better be at the free live training tomorrow. Even if you've been before, you learn something new every time. Better see each and every one of you guys there. Yeah, come on, go tag me on X and in the post your gains tab. I know you guys got Twitter. Gene, you want to come say hi quick? I'll be right back.
What's up, guys? What's going on? Anybody? Whoa. I turned the market off and I did not see that big fall, but I got those longs up too. I'm gonna go live or I'm gonna full port Jacob's account. There we go. Huge. You guys ready for the training tomorrow? Yeah, I'm gonna be Asia trading today. I'll be on probably around 6:30 Eastern.
What, Gene?
People are asking if I was gonna trade Asia today. Like in
New York City, my trade's 1,000 points away, but boy, the take profit looks so pretty. Yes, it does. Oh, I'm not the trader that I once was. Because I hold my winners and I maximize risk reward. I'm on the way to the road and moving forward. You guys like my singing? What is this price action, guys? Look at all this. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Like that TP was legendary. You hate my singing? I love you too. If you guys want to take my next trade with me tomorrow, we're on a good path, guys. Whenever we have a Monday comeback like this, you guys know how it statistically does if you trade with me. Go get yourself a Lucid Pro 50K account with code Jdun. They're 50% off for your first two. You can also get an FFF 50K Premier account. Those are great. One-day pass. Apex is 90% off using code Jdun. Great accounts with Apex. I like the 50K, no activation fee. And Alpha Futures 10% off. Well, guys, one win, one loss. Is copy paste trading common in the trading community? I mean, with a lot of people, I'd be careful, but I do my best to win for you guys every day, and you can ask around chat and see if people have success with rocking with me. I do my best to help people make money every day. Not perfect, but we keep our losses small and wins big and systematic. We got 2 people that tagged me on X so far. I know a lot more of you guys have Twitter. Post a picture of your gains, tag me at Jdun Trades, and get a chance to win an account. You guys like the bangers today on the Ox? I got to text Grizzly. I told you it was going to high a day. So I told you, trust me, bro. You helped me pass 2 evals. Appreciate you. Telling you guys, the trend is your friend. All I ask is for you guys' support is if you tap in and sign up for the free live training tomorrow. I want to help you guys keep learning. I want to help you guys continue to stay moving with confidence. I'll ask as you guys get signed up for the free live training. It's in the announcements tab in Discord. I made $17 and I'm learning. I take it as a definite win. That's awesome, Chrissy. Great job. Don't. Probably take your small L on the day, Prammy. It's all right. You learned, you followed your plan. Small L was a W. That's how I look at it, at least. We followed the plan. If you guys ever need to sign up, I'll post the link a few times for the free live training. I want to see you guys pack the house for tomorrow at 7 p.m. Eastern Time. Damn, look at that. The 2-bar pays from red to green. All thanks to Jdun. Best live trading, hands down. Let's go. Apex 50K, which to buy? I like the 50K trade of 8, no activation fees. That being said, if you're not a very good trader, and I don't mean that in a mean way, I'd go with the cheaper ones with activation fees so you don't spend more money in the account. Oh my gosh, look at that candle, guys. Wow. Maybe 850 for another entry? No, I'm done. I'm taking my green. Uh-oh. You know about this, Gene?
Oh, I love this one.
People think I need time because I am frowning all the time. Let's go! This is the mood right now. Don't break you, I'm afraid. Oh, yeah! Woo! Let's go! That's all we needed. Let's go. Oh, just wait till you see the energy in the free live training tomorrow. Trust. You guys better all get signed up.
Time is going by so much faster than I'm starting to regret not spending all of it with you. Now I wondering why I've got this bottle inside. So I'm starting to regret not selling it to you. So if I ever get gotta let you go. Never gonna be alone.
From this moment on. So fire. Let's go. It's a Nickelback concert. We're winning. All right. As a reminder, if you guys did make money with me and you tag me on X, I'm going to give away an account to someone on X. I'm also going to give away an account right now. I got some premier 50K accounts with the Funded Futures family to give away. Same accounts Gene got paid out like 20 bands on. My username on X is Jdun Trades. Yep, Jdun Trades. All right. Been following you for a year now. One of the best in the industry. Lots of love from Utah. I appreciate you, bro. It means a lot, man. All right. The winner from the poster gains section inside Discord is going to be Nat at Jdun Trades, DOD for the win, and still going $1,000 in the day. Let's go. Congratulations, Nat 191. Let's go. Let's find someone on X as well. First winner is going to be... Wait, nope, no following. Matt Foley, small win today, but we take small wins all day, every day. DOD, baby, and let's get this money. Congrats, you just won yourself a 50K FFF account. Congratulations. All right, now it's time for the YouTube giveaway. I'm going to post. Okay, this is the platform I'm posting them on. Funded Futures Family, guys. I'll post the link a few times if you guys have an account. The first, let's see here. I'm going to post 3 codes back to back to back with FFF. I got 3 accounts for y'all for the first, and I got some Vanquish accounts too for the second giveaway. These are 50K Premier accounts. Premier accounts. The first one is the Fun and Features family. Boom, posted. First account right there, posted right there, right now. We're getting this done. We're going. We're all gas, no brakes. First account with the Fun and Features family, the Premier 50K. I love these accounts. There's so many good things about them. Second account, boom, posted. Hey, guess what? You know what's better than 2 accounts? 3 accounts. Shout out the Fun and Features family. Valid for 1 person. 3 accounts, back to back to back. All just posted right there. Oh, you know what else we got? You know what else we got? We got some Vanquish accounts coming your way too. Every day you guys stick with me till the end, I give away accounts. These are for funded options trading, the 50Ks. Oh my gosh, look at that. These people are fast, man. You gotta be quick. All right. So the next set of accounts I'm giving away are the Vanquish for funded options. Hey, so if you guys are an option trader, you can get funded options. And the cool thing about these is on the basic plans is you can get funded and paid out the same day. Look at this freaking trade. Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh my gosh. All right, I'm going to post this Vanquish link a few times so you guys can all get signed in already. Every day I give you guys accounts. Every single day I give you all accounts. Where are you going? Really? A month? Huh. All right, guys. Hope you guys are ready on Vanquish. I'm going to rapid fire 5 codes, 50K accounts, either the basic or the advanced plan. Account number 1, gone. Account number 2, I got to get off and eat, so I'm going to rapid fire these. 2, each one of these is valid for 1 person. 3, bada bing, bada boom. Oh, guess what? You thought that was enough? You thought that was it? Oh, no, because we're going 4 right here, right now. 4, and finally, 5. All right, in the YouTube, 5 accounts just posted. Again, you guys get the thumbs up. You guys get free accounts. I do this every single day. I try to find you guys winning trades. I appreciate you guys using code Jdun. Rocking with me every day. Making this a part of your daily routine. I will see you guys tomorrow morning. Make sure if you haven't already, so you don't miss any of the lives. If I go live for Power Hour, if I go live for Asia Session, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button on YouTube. Press that bell icon and press all so you get notified. And then if you're on TikTok, make sure you hit that follow button in the top left corner. All right, y'all. God bless you guys. Trade smart, trade safe, and I'll see you guys later or tomorrow. Adios, Team Bull. I'm out of here. God bless you guys. I'll see you guys later or tomorrow. Peace.